Hey everybody, thank you for clicking on today's video. As you probably know by now, it is Makeup Mondays, and today's video is going to be short, but you know what? It's going to be fun because I'm using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and everything today. Something new, something fresh. I love this look that I created with it. It's very natural, very peachy. It's definitely something I would wear almost every single day. It's definitely a fast and easy look for me. So I basically focused on just the eyes today. Stick around for the end of the video to learn about what videos are coming up this week, because I think you all will enjoy this coming up week. It is definitely going to be a busy, busy, busy week. Anyways, I love you guys, and let's get this video started. Okay, so our very first shade that we're going to go in with is going to be this one right here in the Sweet Peach palette. I don't know why this one down here looks like it's empty, but it's not. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this one right here. I'm probably most likely going to grab my jumbo brush and just put that all over the crease and leading up to the brow bone. And my phone goes off. Okay, so next up I'm going to go in with my long-haired eye brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here and put that right there in the crease, bleed it on into the eyelid. Okay, so after applying that color, we're going to go in with this beautiful purple color right here, and we're going to tap and blend that on. Okay, and still with that same shade, I'm going to grab a pencil brush and we're going to do that underneath the eye. Okay, so with that, I'm going to grab this shade right up here on the top end of the palette with a nice flat brush, and I'm going to pick up a lot of that product, and we're going to apply this right here in the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara, eyelashes, contouring, and lips off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay everybody, so I went ahead and I filmed my lips, highlight, contour, and eyelashes off camera. The contour is the Shade and Light Contour Palette by Kat Von D. The lips are Lips by Victoria. There's about 3 shades in there, and then the highlight is the Glow by Victoria Glow Palette. So other than that, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I know it was really fast and it was really like over before you knew it, because most of my videos are usually like 25 to almost 27 minutes long whenever it comes to makeup tutorials, but I'm on a time crunch right now and everything because I am filming this literally the day before I leave to Dayton, Ohio. So I'm kind of on a time crunch right now. But other than that, there is going to be some amazing videos and everything coming up. Actually, as you're watching this, I'm already in Dayton, Ohio. So yeah, there will be some great videos coming out this week, and I'm super excited for you guys to see them. So there will be more than one makeup tutorial, as well as a fabulous nail tutorial and everything coming soon this week. Anyways, so yeah, I hope that you guys loved today's look. Until then, I love you. Please make sure to like, subscribe, become a part of the angel group or the angel army, however you like to say it, and I will see you tomorrow.